पर्रीकारान बजेट केला ते आपले आमदारापुरते विरोधकांचो विचारूच ना म्हणून काँग्रेसीन बजेटाचेर प्रतिक्रिया दिली। गोवा फॉरवर्ड म्हणटा बजेटात गोंयकारपण दिसता। बजेटाचेर राजकीय फुडारी आनी जाणकारांच्यो प्रतिक्रिया।
बजेटाचेर तशें पळोवपाक गेल्यार नविदाद अशी कांय ना। सुरवातेक दिसता की ज्यो पयलींच्या गव्हर्मेंटान 2 वर्सां भितर ज्यो स्किमी सारक्यो इम्प्लिमेंट केला त्यो कंप्लीट करतलो अशें सांगपाचो प्रयत्न केला। पयशे दितले आमी जावं लॅपटॉप मात एक सगळें कितें सांगपाक तें पयलीं म्हणजे पयलीं जालें ना त्यो आमी कंप्लीट करतले अशें सांगपाचो प्रयत्न केला। दुसरी म्हाका दिसता हो बजेट पॅकेज बजेटा भशेन दिसता की सगळे जो बजेट आयकत जाल्यार त्या भागात तेंचे जे MLA आसात तांकां पॅकेज दिवपाचो प्रयत्न केला। म्हाका दिसता मे बी तांकां मिनिस्ट्री दिवपाक मेळना म्हूण केला आसत। उल्लेख जालो कुडचड्याचो 20 करोड, बिचोलीचो अमकी करोड 10 करोड आनी खंय म्हणजे तांकां मिनिस्ट्री भितर सांबाळून घेवपाक जायना म्हणून खंय तरी खूश करपा खातीर तेंच्या आमदारांक हें केलां काय कितें?
Public debt is gone to 12,000 crores. There is no mention whether he will reduce the public debt, how he will pay. There is still no mention. As for other things, he has spoken about vigilance. One thing I must remind the Chief Minister, that vigilance for the last 5 years has gone to -0 levels. Not a single case of vigilance has been really taken to its logical end, and this fellow wants to increase the logical end. There is no mention of investment promotion board. The Goinkar bond has gone from Parivartan, it has come to Goinkar bond, and this now it will go to floating bond and what I don't know.
Who preserve Goinkar pond? There is nothing for Goinkar pond in this budget. This budget will be for the next 1 year. And I think we'll have to do a serious soul searching to ensure that what are we going to do for Goa? What are we going to do for our educated and unemployed? How we are going to ensure that the economic situation, which has gone totally out of gears with the mounting unemployment, with the mounting of loans.
This budget, which has been presented to the House, does not propose any new things. On the contrary, I was surprised in 2013 they had passed that minimum essential services implementation bill. If you remember, till today that bill has not been implemented, and in this budget they are again saying that now they will implement it. Like that, most of the things which were introduced 3 years, 4 years back, which have remained unimplemented, they are now saying that they will complete it. Even excise on petrol has been increased. They have said that they have increased to 15% VAT. They came to power first on a plaque that 0% VAT on petrol. Now it has gone to 15%. I think hardly anything is there in this budget.
So do you think announcements are there, now implementation has to take place? Water, 2027, power also needs to be collected. Since we are a consuming state, and GST also has an explanation behind.
हे बजेट पळय आसा आतां हांव नकळो बाय 11 म्हयन्यांनी किंवा 12 म्हयन्यांनी कितें जातलें, कित्याक आमचे जे लोन आसा 12,000 crores त्याचो इंट्रस्ट कितलो जाता तो, आनी आमकां डेवलपमेंटाक कितले पयशे उरतले, कित्याक ते 12,000 crores इन्स्टॉलमेंट प्लस इंट्रस्ट जो आसा हो सरकारान भरचो पडटा। आनी सरकारान देखील सांगलां ते खूब वस्तू तेणी हें केलां, म्हणजे आतां अशें दिसता की फुडें इलेक्शनाक जावं कितें आसा काय जनरल इलेक्शन अशें दिसता, पूण नाल्यार अशें इतलें म्हणजे आसा पूण रेव्हेन्यू खंयचो?
इनोवेटीव प्रोग्रेसीव बजेट जें गोंय फुडें व्हरूंक शकतलें, वीच वील टेक गोवा फॉरवर्ड. सो आय वेलकम द बजेट. It has taken every person into consideration. It has taken welfare schemes, all age groups, even the weaker sections of society, including autistic children. So I think this is an innovative budget. So on behalf of Goa Forward, I welcome the budget, especially because our motto, आमचो जो मुद्दो हा गोंयकारपणाचो, तो गोंयकारपणाचो मुद्दो हे बजेटानूय येता की 50वी जयंती ओपिनियन पोलाची, आनी मुख्यमंत्र्यान आपल्या बजेट स्पिचान म्हणिल्लें आहा की अप टील द 16th of January 2018 whole year will be observed as the
50th anniversary of the opinion poll, where the focus will be Goenkar Bund. So naturally we welcome.
एंट्री टॅक्स आसा ते बंद करतलो म्हणून सांगला. GST आयले नंतर सगळ्यांना इम्प्लिमेंटेशन गोंयांत जातलें आनी त्या खातीर जो सरप्लस रेव्हेन्यू आमकां अंडर GST मेळटलो तो आमचे इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर डेव्हलपमेंट आनी बाकीच्यो ज्यो योजना आसा त्यो योजनात घालपाक मेळटलो. सगळ्यांत म्हत्वाची योजना ही गरिबाक जो शेल्टर जाय तो शेल्टर गोंयांत आमी पुरयतले अशें ताणें म्हटलां.
ह्या बजेट आयकतकी it was not the Manohar Parrikar of old. I was expecting something more dynamic because Goa आयज जी आमची परिस्थिती आसा एकदम विकट आसा आनी इंडस्ट्रीचो सपोर्ट तितको ना. मायनिंगाचे परिस्थिती वायट आसा. जनरल इंडस्ट्री फार्मा इंडस्ट्री पळयात ती डावन आसा. आमचे टुरिजम जर पळयात जाल्यार थंय एक मेजर खतरा आसा. हे सगळे दृश्टिकोनान दवरता की ओवरऑल इंडस्ट्री पर्स्पेक्टीव जर तुमी म्हणटाले जाल्यार म्हाका इतकी ब्रायट अशी दिसना. म्हाका अपेक्षा आशिल्ली की तो ते जे पळय प्रॉब्लेम स्पॉट्स आसा पळय जे बॉटलनॅक्स आसा बारीक बारीक बॉटलनॅक आसा ताचेर कितें तरी तो स्टेप्स घेतलो. पूण ह्या हातून आयज जे पळय प्रेजेंटेशन जालां तातूंत तें कळ्ळें ना. कदाचित ताजे डिटेल तातूंत आसतलें आनी म्हाका दिसता आमचे इंडस्ट्री रिप्रेझेंटेटिव्स बी मेळटले तांकां आनी कदाचित ते तो इनकॉर्पोरेट करतलो.
Optimistic about the whole budget for a reason that in reality, though on 11th the counting took place, the actual government formed on 16th or 17th, hardly even 8-9 days. Within the given 8-9 days time, what he has achieved or what he has prepared, wherein he has not only service sector or industry, all other social economical sector he has broached upon, is really remarkable. For example, now just to see the budget he has done a surplus budget. As there is a saying that in Konkani we say, कितले चादर आसा तितलेच पावलं स्प्रेड करपाचें. बरोबर. तशें ताणें this is a step, if you take it positively, this is the step which is being taken to finish the loan. Now 12,000 crores we have a loan, which is approximately about 2 lakh rupees per head we have a loan on us, which can be reduced in next 5 years only when you have got a surplus budgets.
No, the point is again, if we are thinking 30%, I am happy 30 becomes 40. What about the remaining? Because all your entertainment tax, luxury tax, this tax, that tax will go. So people will expect that no, it is included in your VAT, in your GST rates. So we need to do a study on this, a serious study targeted. In fact, we started at one point of time. I don't know what finally happened. Number two is the demonetization. Demonetization effect, again coming back to that small industries, small tourism. I read somewhere in the press reports throughout Goa, it was reported that 700 crores of losses is what the state is staring at. If that is true, because nobody in the government ever...
We are coming to those
They didn't say yes or no. So I take it that that must be correct. So then what are our plans to recover that? The 7th Pay Commission is in fact...
Yeah, we'll come to that aspect also.
The CAG reports of last year. These are the things which have come into the system, particularly the last 3 years. The CAG, for example, say no utilization certificates have been
almost
deposited.
70% budget funds go unutilized.
Yeah, funds are unutilized. So is that a fiscal management?
म्हाका दिसपाक लागला आमी आतां फाटले कांय बजेट्स 10-12 वर्साचे बजेट जर पळयत तर इनोवेटीव कांय घडना. तेच स्किम्स त्योच आनी लोक बजेट म्हळ्यार आतां स्किम्स काय म्हणून सांगपाक लागल्यात आनी सरकार एका अर्दान फक्त टॅक्स सांगचे सोरो आनी कांय गजाली त्योच तांचेर टॅक्स घालप आनी हे रिकवर करप. म्हाका दिसपाक लागलो बजेट प्रोसेस जो आमच्या संविधानाचो एक भाग न्ही, बजेट प्रोसेसच आतां सामको रिव्यू करपाची गरज आसा. एक सेंट्रल गव्हर्मेंट एक बजेट काडटा, ओके, तांकां एक सर्वसाधारण एक विस्तृत असो अधिकार आनी पावर्स तांचे कडेन आसात, पूण राज्य सरकारां चडांत चड स्कीम दिवप आनी चडांत चड कर्जाच्या कडेन देंगणांतल्यान पडप होच प्रकार जाला. म्हाका दिसता हे एक्सेस तांणी बजेट जरी दिल्लें असलें इट्स व्हेरी डिफिकल्ट टू रिकवर. कारण ऑलरेडी आतां कोणे तरी म्हणिल्लें प्रत्येक मनशाचेर जवळ जवळ 82,000 प्रत्येक गोंयच्या नागरिकाचे 82,000 हजाराचे लोन आसा आनी हे पैसे रिकवर करपाचे आमचे कडेन कांयच स्कीम ना. आमचे कडेन एक कितें तरी अफलातून एक वेगळे तरेची कल्पना जर कोणी मुखार घेवन आयिल्लो जाल्यार एक समजूं येतालें की समथींग नवें कितें तरी फुडल्या एक वर्सान घडपाचें आहा. पूण म्हाका दिसता वोट ऑन अकाउंटूच हो आसा आनी तांकांय वेळ मेळना, फक्त 10 दीस आसात. सो कोणी तरी आतां म्हणटा तशें की एक आतां कन्सल्टेशन वेगवेगळ्या घटकां कडेन एक कन्सल्टेशन सुरू जावपाची गरज आसा, कारण स्किम्स जाहीर केल्यो म्हणून जायना.
घेऊया एक ब्रेक.